Oh, back pedal.
Oh, I hit ground. I'm good. Wait.
Yeah, there we go. Oh wait, this is video. Hold on.
Oh, it's video, then we can move.
All right.
I'm telling an 8-year-old, and she is fascinated. It's way too low. And we're headed straight for the bank, Daddy. And
That's all right. We're gonna collide with the bank, and that's okay. I'm taking video.
Maybe you'll get a carp in your boat, Cheryl. Oh God, that was so gross. Woo, man overboard.
All right, turn around and smile.
Oh my God.
Lori,
yes.
Smile.
Hello.
Cheryl,
hey,
smile. Yeah. Ooh-hoo! Oh, look at you go. You are.
It's a little thick. It's thick like.
Pull a wheelie. Pull a wheelie. We're on a collision course.
Hurry up.
Not very rough collision, but a collision course. This is Daddy being lazy. I'm just along for the ride.
We're like a big tugboat.
If I tried to paddle this fast, I'd be working up a heck of a sweat.
Wouldn't you like a picture? Take it.
I've got the video on.
Oh, hello. Hola. We're hot and tired. My thighs are roasting. But I'm hot wings, she's hot thighs.
Video of Cheryl. So you like a solo?
I really want one. I just want one for myself. Adam doesn't get one. Just me. Well, you'd want a smaller one. Yeah, I would just want one for me. I don't believe in sharing either. No, I don't want to share.
Yep.